Nakakaloka. No, but meron ako gustong sabihin. Jonah, I just wanted to congratulate you on your 20th?
20th.
Oh my God!
20th. 2005.
Ganun na ako katanda? Ganun pala na pag tumatanda ka, yung utak mo hindi tumatanda. Oo, yung nararamdaman lang ng tuhod mo. Rayuma is real.
Huwag po kayo mag-alala, ate. Kasi ako din naman, 20 years na palang nakalipas.
Oo, no,
Neneng-neneng pa po ako noon.
Super! How old were you when you joined?
I was 15. 15.
And now you're 25.
Yes, 25. Thank you for not revealing my age.
I'm 28.
Yes, of course. The 28 years old Miss Regine Velasquez.
Oo. Actually, mas matanda pa nga yung career ko sa akin eh. Yung career ko 40 years na eh. Pero ako 28.
28.
Now, I just wanna say that I am so proud of you. And I am so happy. Eh, yung naiiyak ako. No, because I was there in the beginning. And I'm so happy I'm still here.
Ate, wag kang iyak kasi naiiyak din ako.
And, kasi yung panahon, parang ang bilis, but at the same time, hindi rin naman talaga. But I'm so proud of who you have become. Pero bukod dun sa napakagaling mong singer.
As in, please, wag mo paiyak.
Hindi, Jonah, talagang ang galing-galing-galing mo.
Thank you.
Bukod sa magaling ka, napakaganda pa ng boses mo. But you know what? Kasi yung parang given na yung magaling siya, di ba? Tapos parang sa extension niya nanggagaling yung mga boses niya.
Sa height lang ako kinulang talaga ate. Sa height lang.
Kaya nga sa extensions na nanggagaling yung mga boses, di ba? No, but bukod doon, sweetheart, I am proud of yung bang you've become this woman na sobrang strong. After all you've gone through, I am so proud that you have become this person na sobrang matatag.
Matibay ka.
Matibay.
Matibay ni Sir Junji Marcelo, by the way.
Yes, na hindi natitinag. More than you being an incredible singer, I am so proud of who you are now, who you have become.
Ate, di ko alam. Hindi ko man siguro sobrang madalas nasabi, but thank you also from the bottom of my heart. Nandyan ka, simula nung nasa fetus pa ako. Simula nung nasa baba ako hanggang sa parating ko itong point na ito ngayon. Nandyan ka, lagi kang nakasuporta. You've always been so generous of your time.
Amazing! Palakpakan natin si Boss. Amazing! Oh, it is my pleasure. It is my pleasure. Anytime you need me, you know that I'm always gonna be here. Whether to sing in your concert or just even to talk to me about anything and everything. I will always be here.
The privilege to just share so many with you. Thank you so much.
It is an honor for me to be in your 50th year anniversary. Like I said, I think you are an amazing singer. You have so many talents. Grabe, you write songs, you play so many instruments, and not only that, you can act. You know, that's a magandang combination yun eh, diba? Oo, maarte lang.
Wala akong message. Tinanong niyo ako.
Oo, ay, si Susan at si Amal na nag-teleport. Hello!
Sergeant, thank you. I actually wanted to also remind everybody of Bisaya Manners to Miss Reg.
Bisaya! Uy! Salamat kaayo kay ano ba yan? Pinakanta mo ako doon sa Ihila. It's one of my favorite songs of hers. My favorite talaga na namalag ka nakakakanta kasi pajulit-julit ko pinapatugtog yung ano yung kanta mo? Yung...
Ano ba? Do you have any question?
Hindi, yung Oo, yun.
Natin ka na lang.
Oo, namalag ka din po. Namalag ka. Kasi pa-junod-junod ko talaga pinag-junod. I love that song.
Me too.
And not only because it was such a great song, I think I loved it because I loved the way you sang it. It was very sincere, and the ad-libs in the end, yung saktong-sakto lang, yung hindi ka nagyayabang na kaya ko to. No? Hindi, parang, eto yun.
Shout out
Anyway.
na natin po si Kuya Kiko Salazar, of course.
Yes, I think it's such a beautiful song and you sang it really, really well. I just want to say thank you for inviting me here. And yun nga, I just wanted to greet you happy anniversary. And I hope that you continue this journey. Madami ka pang mararating, marami ka pang may experience, mas gagaling ka pa. Yes, so, and I'm also very happy that your parents are here.
Yeah.
Asa man sila? Asa man? Oo ka na. Oo na, amandi ay sila. Oy! Hello, oy, hello.
Actually, beside to si Miss Rich, sobrang nag-check up on me during that. Mari, okay ka na. Lalo pag may may mga nababasa si Miss Rich, like, Mari, nandito lang ako.
No, because I can relate. You know, and I also wanted to not just be a friend on stage, but also be involved, hopefully, in your lives. Yung mga kabataan ngayon, kasi syempre parang gusto kong maging tenga, maging boses ninyo, na gusto ko lang malaman ninyo na I really am just here. And I may not always be there, yung parang alam mo yung mga nakakadiring friend. yung mga nakagano'n, yung nakadikit sa'yo lagi. hindi ako ganong classic friend, but anytime you would need me for anything and everything, I will be here.
Thank you. So everybody, once again, Miss Regina Velasquez, ang ganda ng Holly Summer! Miss Troy!
I try!
Miss Reg, syempre di pwedeng isang tan pala. Miss Reg, would you do me the honor to sing this very special song with you?
Yes!
But before we get into it, I also just want to share na sobrang special po itong song na to for me specifically, because I'm not sure if you remember, but I think the very first time that we shared the room together, it was a gala, and you were seated as a guest and I performed, and it was this song. I don't know if you remember. And so it would be an honor, Miss Reg, to sing this song with you and for everybody.
Yes, it will be my pleasure.
Thank you so much. The one and only Richie!
Maybe I don't want to talk about that. The Asia Songbird, Miss Regina Velasquez!
Oh my God, Miss Reg, thank you so much po. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to be part of your very special night, Clam. I was in your very first one. Yes. Diyan sa kanto lang. Diyan lang sa kanto. And, you know, back then, I was very proud of you already. Natutuwa ako na ang daming blessings na natatanggap mo at binibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. Alam mo kung bakit? Bakit po, Miss Reg? Pwede huwag mahingay. Serious to eh. Because you waited. You waited, and you waited for a long time. And I'm sure a lot of those times you were already questioning if it's ever gonna come your way. And finally, it's here. So we are all very proud of you. Lahat ng taong nandito ang ipinunta, ikaw. Hindi kami. Ikaw ang ipinunta. So, maraming salamat. Congratulations. I just want to say that I'm very proud of you sa maikling panahon na nagkakilala tayo. So, mga 30 years na, no? Oo. Napakabait po nitong taong ito. Kaya ang masasabi ko lang ay, deserve! Thank you so much, Miss Reg. Alam niyo naman po, isa ka po talaga sa mga inspirasyon ko ever since. And tama ka, Miss Reg, yung unang concert ko na tungkol po sa kabilang kanto. And to be fair po, parehong walang TF. Ganyan ka pa lang. Kaya may TF ako! Ala! Yung TF mo napunta sa akin. Ganon po ka-generous ang Mr. Jean Velasquez Alcacid. Isang mo naman, marabit na dyan. Thank you for having me, and again, congratulations. May God bless you more. Maraming salamat, Miss Reg. Thank you so much. At po sa akin, once again, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid!
Naging malaking inspirasyon po siya sa amin, sa akin. Hindi po biro ang mga pinagdaanan namin. Kami po kasi ngayon iba na eh. Siyempre may TikTok na, meron ng YouTube. Kami po, pila-pila kami sa tirik ng arawan, ilang ulit kami. Ako po, 3 beses ako nag-audition sa Star for a Night. Tatay ko po ang talagang nag-push sa akin na kahit na hindi ako natatanggap, anak, sige lang, sige lang. Siyempre po, ang host ng Star for a Night. Ang isa pong malaking inspiration sa akin para patuloy kong mabutin ang aking mga pangarap. And after winning Star for a Night, nabigyan po ako ng pagkakataon na mapalapit po sa kanya. Ang kailangan niyo po. She has become my mentor and my good friend. At talaga naman po habang bumalik ko po yun, iti-treasure at pasasalamatan. Yung pagkakataon na binigay po sa akin na yun. Sinuportahan niyo po ako magmula nung gumawa po ako ng debut album ko. Nag-backup pa po siya sa akin, sa aking isang song po doon. At nag-guest din po siya sa lahat ng mga concerts ko. At sa lahat ng mga concerts, sa lahat ng projects ng mga upcoming or mga rising stars. Bilib na bilib po ako sa taong ito, sa kanyang puso. Napaka-generous po ng kanyang puso. She continues to guide me and to support me. At ang ganda. Every time po na nakikita ko, nasa starstruck po talaga ako. Natutulala na lang ako. Tonight's celebration would not be complete without her. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only, Geisha Songbird.
I'm so excited and happy for you. I remember the first time you had a concert in this place and I was also here.
Yes,
that was a few pounds away. Not for you, but for me.
Napaka-sexy.
No, but I'm so happy to see you on your 20th anniversary. Congratulations. Yung pong dalawang kanta na yun ay isinulat po ng asawa ko. And he has a message for you. Ay, wala pala. Ako pala ang nagsasabi. Sorry. Sabi niya, he is really very proud of you and so happy that both of us became parang part of your career, of your life. And we thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts.
Kami pong mga nangarap ang dapat pong magpasalamat na meron pong si Lord binigay sa amin na katulad ninyo.
Hindi. Pero ikaw binigay din sa amin ni Lord. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin, landian kayo ng landian. No? Landian ng landian? Nakakaloka!
Sorry, Miss Reg.
Oo, landian ng hindi ka na virgin. Siguro naman, no? I love you, sweetheart. You are the queen of everyone. You are the queen of our hearts. And most of all, you are the queen of this industry. We love you. Happy anniversary.
You are the queen of the music industry, of the Philippine music industry.
Thank you for having me. Have a good night. Love you, sweetheart.
Mr. Jean Velasquez! Landian na kami ng landian. Nakakatuwa po maglandian ng kasal na. Yan. May blessing din